morning, everyone. I am Aru from pre-primary A class. Today, I want to tell you about animals, carnivores, omnivores, herbivores. Herbivores are animals that feed on plants and fruits, and cow and rabbit.
Omnivores.
अच्छा, omnivores are animals that eat both plants and meat.
Okay. Carnivores.
Dog and rat.
Dog and rat. Okay. Carnivores.
Carnivores are animals
That eat.
meat, snake, tiger. Thank you.